Hello guys, so in this video I'll be trying some stuff out here. So what I have here, it's a C file and I want to split it up. Well, I did split it up into three pieces, three other files I should say, and then run the program using a makefile. So first I'll show you my C file, right? And then I'll remove the C file from the system. So I have this C file here, right? Now you can see I have stdio.h, I have a typedef, a function pointer, and I have the functions defined, the function prototypes here. Then I have the definition of the function add, multiply, and call funct, which is taking in a function pointer, and then you're calling the other functions, which would be the callback functions by the function pointer. Define, well, this is my main here. You're going to enter two numbers, a and b, and then you're going to call the function, and the function, when you call add, it will add the two numbers, and you call mul, it will multiply the two numbers and give you the output. But the point here is to take this C file and split it up into three files. All right, so let's just look at the files I have here. ls, so I have cat fptr01.h. So what I did in here, I have my include stdio.h and the function prototypes, right? And of course the typedef. Now you can see that I have if not defined, and this fptr underscore h is just the name of this file here, this fptr01.h. I just went with fptr._h. So if not defined, define all these params and end if it's defined, end. All right, so let's look at what I have in func.c. In func.c, I have the stdio.h, and I have this fptr01.h, which contains all the function prototypes. Now here you have the definition of the functions, add, mul, and the call function that will utilize the function pointer, right, to call the functions. Now let us go back again. Look at cat main.c. Here again, I include the stdio.h, costs nothing to do that, and I include the fptr01.h. So this is pretty much the body here. This is main. Now what I'll do, I will remove, oh, I should show you my makefile, right? Cat makefile. Okay, so here's my makefile, and I'll explain this makefile, but first I need to test if this thing really works, right? So I have my funct as a target, and I have the .o file are the dependencies, and this is my recipe here. So to create this target my func, I need these func dot o and main dot o. So now func dot o, to create that I need func dot c and fptr01.h. So I created func.o, and to create main.o I need main.c, and I have a clean function here. These flags, didn't do much review on this, but let us see what happens here with this program. Before I run this program, I need to remove this fptr underscore pass dot c ls. Good. So let us see what happens when I run this. I'll try to do a make. It compile, and it should have produced my func. Now I can run this my func here, my func. It prompts me to enter a number. So let's say I enter 20. Enter a next number. Let's say 10. Enter. So in this program, you see that the sum of a and b is 30 and the product of a and b is 200. Okay, so this worked. What I want to do is to split this up into two. I explain what I did here, how I split a function, how I split the code into multiple files, and then I created a make to run it. Now I'll end this video here, and I will continue to explain this in another video with respect to the function pointers, how I utilize typedef in this function. In this file here. All right, so I'll stop here for now. Bye.